Nandito lang sa Where in Manila, Sabado na gabi sa GMA.
Of the program, we would like to share a little bit of a true story. When Dear SV transferred to GMA, Rian surprised SV during the media launch. So everybody remembers that and everybody was so touched with that sweet surprise.
Tsaka yung ibang nandito nandun din ng media launch.
Yes, true. Kaya kita-kita tayo ulit. That was November 15, 2023. So fast forward, almost 2 years now. We're now February 27, 2025. May bago naman tayong twist. Yeah, may bago tayong twist. So for that, let's watch this.
Dear SB.
Maraming salamat SB at ako naman po si Rian Ramos at simula sa susunod na linggo, ako na po ang inyong makakuluan dito sa time slot na ito. All you need to ask is, where in Manila?
Program to reminisce on regarding Dear SB. I know we should never now, or Rian and Sam, you can take your seats. Thank you so much. Okay, so watch this.
Bakit mo ginagawa? Nakikikain ka, nakikilangoy ka, nakikiiyak ka, pwede ka naman tumulong na wala ka doon. Why do you want to be there? Isang lang na ako sa'yo.
Nila para hindi na lumayo yung mga kababayan natin at hindi na sila maging para maging ano na rin sila sa sarili nilang bayan, maging parang sort of hindi na sila maging turista pa sa ibang bansa. Dito na sila mismo umikot at ipagyabang yung kagandahan ng lugar natin.
Tama yan. Thank you, SB and Rian.
To be quite honest with you, I've always felt the most comfortable pagka meron akong script at meron akong ibang character. I feel like pag yung sarili ko na, kunwari during interviews or when I have to be myself, dun pumapasok sa akin yung parang hiya to express myself. But being a host will really build your confidence in yourself. Yung pag meron kang organic thought na pwede mo siyang ibitaw right here, right now, kahit wala siya dun sa script. And also, be very honest and on the spot kung ano yung naiisip mo about a certain topic. Ayun, ilalabas mo siya on the spot in your most honest, authentic way. And it has its own personality na dapat din natin ipagmalaki at ipakita. Thank you.
May have, Jeff?
Special request, well, sa totoo lang, minsan may mga nakikita ako sa social media, gano'n, mga trending na nagbebenta ng sarili nilang inventong food or sarili nilang atake sa food na well-loved already. Sorry, you're gonna catch me talking about food a lot because that's my obsession in this show. I want to taste everything and eat everything. So there's that. May yung mga nakikita ko na trending sa social media, gusto kong puntahan. And then honestly, kung saan nanggaling talaga yung concept ng show na to is sa mga kwento ni SB sa akin pag may napuntahan na naman siyang lugar na parang, may ganyan, may ipapadala siya sa akin na video or picture, or minsan uuwian niya ako ng pagkain from that place. And then, ayun, parang I just wish na it was me out there exploring kasi ang dami mga unknown pa na places that I can discover. And then how I prepared for it? Well, actually, I've had naman several shows na lifestyle. And ayun nga, I think the best way I can prepare to host a show like this is just to be spontaneous, authentic, and honest. I believe that naturally my face is like an emoji na hindi ko minsan natatago ang aking nararamdaman, nakikita siya kagad sa aking mukha. And that's part of what will help me share these experiences with the audience. Na parang, when they see my face, parang sila na din yung naka-experience.
to believe.